Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to stay positive during quarantine. Yes, it has been 4 months since we have been in quarantine but today I will tell you how I managed to stay positive during this pandemic situation, and I'm going to share some little tips for your help. Well, first and foremost, we all have a lot of time right now. It's a difficult situation, it's very stressful, so I think this is the right time you connect with your God. I took out time to pray, I took out time to read Quran, translation of Quran, and I think this has helped me a lot. So if you are struggling with stress and if you're looking for a spiritual way out, then I think you must pray and meditate. Secondly, we all had some place to go. Like I had an Umrah plan in the month of Ramzan, then we had a vacation plan in the month of July, but nothing happened. So if you plan to go on a vacation but things did not work out, I think this is the right time when you make a small change in your own house. I had a lovely time at my house, changing the element of my balcony. This is where I'm sitting. See, I had a lot of plants planting. I painted this wall as well. Changing the position of your table, changing the position of your bed, or just putting up a wall decoration, anything but just a small change. Alright, when we're talking about reinventing our space, I think this is the right time when you declutter as well. Take out all the mess that you have piled up for years and they are not doing any good to you. This is the right time to clean your wardrobe, you clean your makeup drawer, you set up things for yourself so that when you see things, the visual impact is such that you feel relaxed. Research proves that clutter and mess increases your chance to depression, anxiety and stress. Declutter and do it today. I, being a mother of two, living in a joint family system, working from home, I have a lot on my plate. So if you're like me, you have got a lot of things to do during staying in your house. So I think you need to make a schedule. Yes, making a schedule will make a vast difference in how easily things get done. Do not rush around doing everything at the same time. The moment you get a task, you are on it. Make a proper schedule. You need to break your task into definite time period, definite days. For example, I have this period of morning time for shooting my videos, and then I am with my on my work. Then I have to spend time with my family. I have to spend time cooking, cleaning, and there's a lot to do. I think we all must set our priorities. Our first priority should always be our kids, our family, our husband, our parents, our home. So you need to set priority and give a lot of time to your children and to your home. Spend time with them, have fun activities with them. This is the blessed moment when you can actually, watch movies with them, play Ludo, play games, play cards. Do a lot with your children. So let's not wait for any other moment. Enjoy this time. You are blessed. Next and very important, come out of your comfort zone. So if you have not been cooking, or if you are not able to drive, you're not able to cycle, then I think this quarantine period is the best time you come out of your comfort zone. Last but not the least, make your quarantine resolution. Yes, why wait for New Year to have a resolution? I think right now is the correct time to make a resolution. Right now is the correct time to think that you want to come out of this quarantine in a positive way, or you want to stay depressed, stay stressful. So if you have got small goals, does not matter. If you have got bigger goals, perfect. But you need to have some goal in life, starting from reading this particular book, or starting your own YouTube channel, or cooking a particular dish, or perfecting your baking skills. Could be anything. All these tips have worked for me, and if I can stay positive during quarantine, so can you. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe and do leave a comment. See you until next time. Bye. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yes. Hello. 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 Yes. Yes, we all need to survive this quarantine. It's not going to let me speak.